Guys, let me tell y'all something. Y'all see this 083699? That is the number to the TSB. Y'all see when this was issued, or basically it was issued in 99. We're talking over freaking 20 years ago, right? October 15, 1999, when that TSB, the date of it, right? All right, overview. This bulletin involves adding a thermal wire vent to the oil pressure switch connector, right? Okay, follow me now. Hope y'all following me. Note, this bulletin applies to vehicles equipped with the 2.7 engine. It applies to any freaking car with this style connector. Okay, it don't have nothing to do with the car or the fact that it's a 2.7. It could be a 3.5. It could be a Hemi. It could be a 3.8, 3.3. It could be any of those cars that have this connector. And that was the bulk of all of them. That was basically all of them. Okay, so ignore this. This is why, now it makes sense. This is why people can't find this TSB, because they only issued it on the 1999 model Dodge Intrepid with the 2.7. Guys, we're talking about something that was issued back in 99, over 20 years ago. Why are we still having this discussion? And why is this TSB so unbelievable? All right, symptom and condition. With the hot engine, the oil pressure light may be on or flicker on at idle. All right, here's the diagnosis, what they want you to do. Verify engine oil pressure. And guys, quiet is kept. That is the first thing you're supposed to do when you have an oil light issue. But nobody wants to grab a gauge and screw it in the block and check the pressure. I get it. I don't like to do that, and I don't feel like it. Okay. Now, verify engine oil pressure. On page 921, ain't nobody even got no more books, man. Get out of here. Parts required. There are some parts that was required back in 99. Only part you need now is a pair of pliers to pull that damn thing out. Okay. Now, repair procedure. Raise the vehicle on a suitable horse. Yeah, whatever. Remove the engine oil pressure switch connector. Remove the sealing dart from the blah, blah, blah. Pull the terminal locking ring outward from front side. Yeah, pull the tab out. Okay, install a wire vent. Now, at the time, we didn't have this terminal vent. So they just told us to cut a piece of straw off a brake cleaner or something and stick it down. Attach that to the connector of the oil pressure switch, and you're supposed to tape it up. Okay, it paid a measly $210. Get out of Dodge with that. So my point is, man, this was a real legitimate concern back in the day. I don't understand what's so hard for people to believe that was an issue, and it's true. And the fact that a failing internal oil pressure switch can, in essence, create pressure. What if it's coming apart inside? Remember now, it's screwed into the block to monitor oil pressure. Oil pressure. 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 Okay, so it's monitoring oil pressure. If the sensor is corrupt or coming apart internally, there's a chance that pressure could get in the sensor and find its way to the connector. Now, because it's a sealed connector, there's no way for the pressure to escape. So what'll happen? It'll either push oil up through the wire all the way up to your computer, and it will make your light flicker. Okay, the way around that, according to this TSB, which was issued in freaking 1999, just pull the tab out. Why is this so difficult, man? I don't know, but that damn video, I don't know if people watching it out of curiosity or to call me a lie, but I'm getting, JT, you don't know what the hell you talking about. I'm like, what's up, man? I know hey, what's up? In fact, without telling my age, I was in a dealership in 99. I was around. I've already told this story. I screwed up, guys. I once replaced the whole engine because of this. Yes, I put an engine in. You know why? Because I replaced 3 oil pressure sensors. I even replaced the connector with a connector with the damn thing still in it. And I'm going to tell you how heartbreaking painful this is. I put that engine in. Yes, I know I fixed it. Yes. I ain't got to worry about oil pressure, right? Because with a new loan block, the oil pump come with it. All right. I fired that sucker up. I promise you, y'all, it wasn't a good 5 minutes. Bing! My whole